Welcome to GIJO Gadgets Collection. Today's video I will show you that how we can change, you can do it also, to change from this remote from mode 1 to mode 2. Okay, so this is mode 1 transmitter. As how you can see, the throttle is on the right hand. Okay, and where this is the most standard mode 2 controller, where the remote throttle is on the left. So this is mode 2. So if you purchase the wrong model, you might want to return, but actually you just can modify it by yourself through this video. Okay, as you can see here, stick mode is mode 1. Okay, so this is mode 1. Okay, let's get started. First we have to take out the battery. Okay, then we open up this 4 screw. Quite long. Okay. Okay, just dismantle this. This is the antenna. Okay, what we do, we'll take off this 4 screw on each of the gimbal shoulder. To dismantle this one. Okay. So we will swap these two stick left to right, right and right to left. Okay. So we're gonna put it here. And we screw it back. Make sure it sits properly, tight, before you put the force on the screw. Okay, that's it. Now, left this one, we do the same thing. Just make sure it sits properly, and finally you push and screw. Okay. So make sure it's tightened. Now we will put on pause. Make sure it's tight. Not too tight, else it will crack the plastic. And there you are. Now, please note that we have to put this back on the cable, right? Oops. It's the opposite side. So what we do is just plug it back to the right place. And make sure it fits and tight, as we do not want to have a loosen control that our remote, either for heli, aircraft or drone, lost control. Okay, now finally we put this back on. Okay, that's it. So we have exchanged these two from left to right, right to left, and also to put back the sensor cable and to tight enough. Okay, now we can close it back and make sure your power connection is not loose, especially when we did the modification. So okay, before we screw back, actually put back the battery and have a test before we screw up. Lock the screw on the remote, and here we go. Okay, so we have the throttle on the left, right? Okay, right. Screw back first. tight enough. Now, okay, now we have, let's go to display. Now we have the throttles over here, but still this is just channel 1, and this channel 2, and this channel 4, so we need to change it back to mode 2. So what we do is we press this OK, go to the menu, to the system, and we look for stick mode. There you are. Now the original is mode 1, now we need to change to mode 2. So this mode 2, mode 3, and mode 4. As you can see, all the channels is different. Okay, so we are choosing this mode 2. From there on, you have to press cancel and hold it. There you are. It's safe. Just to reconfirm, you go in again, you can see mode 2. Okay, so now we have a mode 2 remote control. We have the mode 2 radio. As we can confirm to see it from here, display. There you are. Okay, throttle, channel 3, this channel 4. This is channel 2 and channel 1. Okay, so just to reconfirm, it's the same as this one, the throttle on the left. So this is now from mode 1 to mode 2. So now I can turn off and restart again. As you can see, mode 2. Okay, done. Thank you for watching.